Welcome back to Dwayne's Simple Good Health. Right then, let's have a little chat. So many of us, I reckon, want to feel a bit better, have more get up and go, and just feel a bit brighter in ourselves. We hear it all the time, don't we? Eat your fruit and veg. It sounds simple, almost too simple. But what if I told you that just 1 week, only 7 short days, could make a real, noticeable difference? Piling your plate high with the good stuff. It's not about some crazy diet or giving up everything you love. It's about adding in, not taking away. It's a little experiment, a 7-day journey for your body. I'll take you through it day by day, showing the simple changes you might feel. This isn't about magic powders or expensive fixes. This is about real food. Beautiful, colorful, gorgeous food that grows in the ground or on trees. We're going to explore what happens when you start packing more of these beauties into your meals. Day 1 is all about making a start. It's the decision, the commitment to yourself. So, what does it look like? It could be as simple as adding a chopped banana, a sprinkle of berries to your morning cereal or porridge, or maybe you decide to swap your usual mid-morning biscuit for a crisp apple. The first thing you might notice is how filling these foods are. That's the fiber and water working their magic. Instead of a quick rush and crash, you get a gentler, more sustained feeling of fullness. Your body is getting its first real taste of a different kind of fuel. Clean, vibrant, packed with goodness. It's like opening the windows in a stuffy room and letting the fresh air pour in. By day 2, something interesting starts to happen in your tummy. All that lovely fiber you've started eating is getting to work. Think of it as a gentle broom for your insides, helping to sweep things along. You might find your digestion feels a bit more regular. That sluggish, bloated feeling you sometimes get after a heavy meal can start to fade. This is your gut getting a helping hand. Your body is also loving the extra hydration from water-rich fruits and veg, like cucumber, watermelon, oranges. Keep sipping water throughout the day, as it helps that wonderful fiber do its job even better. A simple soup for lunch full of lentils, carrots, can feel incredibly comforting and easy on your system. Come day 3, the theme is often energy. When you eat a lot of processed snacks and sugary treats, your blood sugar goes on a wild roller coaster ride. A massive spike followed by a big crash that leaves you feeling tired and reaching for more sugar. But the natural sugars in fruit are different. They come packaged with fiber, which slows down their release into your bloodstream. This means you get a much steadier supply of energy. You might notice you don't get that classic 3 p.m. slump. You feel more balanced, more stable. Your mood might even feel a bit calmer as a result. You're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your brain the good stuff too. To really nail these first few days, keep it simple and delicious. Don't overthink it. Make a big, beautiful salad for lunch. Add lettuce, tomatoes, peppers, chickpeas for protein, nuts for crunch. For dinner, when you're making a pasta sauce or a curry, just chop up an extra onion, courgette, a handful of spinach, and throw it in. No one will even notice, but your body will thank you. These small, clever additions are what build momentum. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Landing on day 4, you might just start to see the changes, not just feel them. Take a look in the mirror. Does your skin have a little more life to it? A bit of a glow? That's no accident, my friend. All those incredible vitamins you've been consuming, especially vitamins A and C, carrots, sweet potatoes, bell peppers, are fantastic for skin health. They're like an inside-out moisturizer. Plus, the extra hydration is helping to plump up your skin cells. At the same time, you may find your sleep is a little deeper. A lighter evening meal, like a simple piece of grilled fish, steamed green beans, broccoli, is easier for your body to digest, meaning it can focus on resting and repairing overnight, not working hard to break down a heavy meal. By day 5, you're in the groove. Your cravings can start to quieten down. When your body is properly nourished and your blood sugar is stable, it stops sending out frantic signals for a quick hit of sugar or salt. That nagging voice to grab a chocolate bar gets quieter. Your taste buds are recalibrating, An apple tastes incredibly sweet and satisfying. A raw carrot stick dipped in hummus becomes enjoyable. This is a huge turning point. You're breaking free from craving and crashing. It's empowering. Day 6 is about small wins adding up. You can't see it, but brilliant things are happening inside. Increased potassium from bananas, spinach, beans can help balance sodium and gently improve blood pressure. And deep in your gut, a quiet revolution is taking place. The fiber you're eating feeds all the good bacteria that live there. A happy, well-fed gut microbiome links to better digestion and stronger immunity. You're building a healthier internal ecosystem, one meal at a time. Keep momentum with variety. Don't eat the same salad every day. Try roasting a big tray of mixed vegetables, peppers, courgettes, red onions, broccoli, with a drizzle of olive oil and some herbs. Eat them hot for dinner, then have the leftovers cold in a wrap for lunch the next day. Make a big fruit salad and keep it in the fridge. Start thinking in color. The more different colors on your plate, the wider the range of nutrients. This is a creative, delicious adventure. You're building healthy habits that feel good. As you cruise into day 7, it's time to take stock. This is the moment you can truly appreciate the cumulative effect of your efforts. How do you feel? Really check in with yourself. Many people report feeling genuinely lighter, not just in terms of weight, but less sluggish and free of internal clutter. That heavy, weighed-down feeling after meals is replaced by clean, steady energy. Your clothes might feel a little looser around the middle as bloating drops and digestion improves. This isn't about dramatic weight loss, but a real shift in how you feel in your own skin, a tangible reward for being kind to your body this week. The mental and emotional changes can be just as profound as the physical ones. More stable blood sugar and a happier gut often mean a brighter, more even-keeled mood. The brain-gut connection is powerful. When digestion is calm, the mind often follows. You might notice more clarity and focus at work or greater patience with small daily challenges. This isn't coincidence. It's the result of giving your brain consistent, high-quality fuel. By now, your body has had a full week to adapt. Digestion is more efficient, energy is steadier without sugary spikes, and your skin benefits from vitamins and extra hydration. You've completed 7 days of conscious, positive choices, and that accomplishment matters. Small changes prove they add up. Think back to simple swaps, adding a side salad to dinner, choosing an orange instead of crisps, or stirring frozen peas into pasta. These were manageable steps that together created big, positive change. The secret is consistency. Build one good habit on another until healthier eating feels natural and sustainable. Thanks for watching. Thanks for